Welcome to our exploration of ghost towns and vanished civilizations, mysterious disappearances through the ages. Join us on a journey through history's enigmatic remnants, where bustling cities once thrived, now silent echoes of a forgotten past. From the eerie streets of Pompeii to the vanishing of the Anasazi, we delve into the mysteries shrouding these lost worlds. Subscribe to our channel for more intriguing tales from the depths of history's secrets. Forgotten footprints, tracing the trails of lost cultures. Exploring the enigmatic phenomena of vanished civilizations and ghost towns is a journey into the mysteries of human history. From the ancient ruins of Mesopotamia to the abandoned settlements of the American Wild West, the footprints of lost cultures intrigue and puzzle us. These forgotten societies leave behind tantalizing clues, prompting questions about their sudden disappearance or gradual decline. Archaeologists and historians meticulously trace their trails, piecing together fragments of evidence to unravel the stories of these once thriving communities. Yet, amidst the ruins and remnants, the ultimate fate of these vanished civilizations remains shrouded in mystery, inviting speculation and wonder. Shadows of History, Mysterious Vanishings Throughout the Ages. The title Shadows of History encapsulates the enigmatic disappearance of civilizations and settlements across time, leaving behind only whispers of their existence. Throughout history, societies have vanished without a trace, leaving behind perplexing mysteries for archaeologists and historians to unravel. From the ancient Maya to the Roanoke colony, these vanished civilizations leave behind haunting remnants, prompting questions about their fate and the events that led to their demise. Shadows of History seeks to shed light on these perplexing disappearances and explore the enduring allure of these lost worlds. Whispering Ruins, the enigma of disappearing societies. Whispering Ruins explores the haunting tales of vanished civilizations, leaving behind enigmatic remnants that puzzle historians and archaeologists. From the Mayans to the Anasazi, these societies disappeared, leaving behind only whispers of their existence. What caused their demise? Was it natural disasters, warfare, or something more mysterious? The title Whispering Ruins evokes the eerie atmosphere of these abandoned sites, where the wind seems to carry the faint echoes of lost voices, begging for answers to the enigma of their disappearance. Whispering Ruins, the enigma of disappearing societies. Whispering Ruins explores the haunting enigma of abandoned settlements throughout history. From the ancient civilizations of Mesopotamia to the deserted towns of the American Wild West, these once thriving communities now stand as silent witnesses to their mysterious disappearances. Scholars and archaeologists grapple with unanswered questions. Theories abound, but the truth remains elusive. Each crumbling structure whispers tales of lost lives and untold secrets, inviting speculation about the forces that led to their demise. Yet, amidst the ruins, the echoes of past civilizations continue to resonate, leaving an indelible mark on the landscape of human history. Vanishing Acts, Ghost Towns Across Time. Throughout history, there have been numerous instances where once thriving settlements have mysteriously vanished, leaving behind nothing but deserted buildings and unanswered questions. These ghost towns, scattered across the globe, evoke a sense of intrigue and curiosity as to what led to their demise, whether due to natural disasters, economic collapse, or even unexplained phenomena. These disappearing acts leave behind a haunting reminder of the impermanence of human civilization. From the ancient ruins of Pompeii to the abandoned mining towns of the American West, each ghost town tells a silent tale of its own, waiting to be deciphered by curious minds. Lost cities, forgotten civilizations. Throughout history, there have been countless instances of civilizations mysteriously vanishing, leaving behind only remnants of their existence. These lost cities, once vibrant hubs of culture and life, now lie abandoned and forgotten, swallowed by the sands of time. From the ancient Mayans of Central America to the enigmatic Indus Valley civilization, these forgotten societies intrigue archaeologists and historians alike. Despite extensive research and excavation efforts, the reasons behind their disappearance remain elusive, shrouded in speculation and conjecture. Lost cities beckon adventurers and scholars alike, offering tantalizing glimpses into the mysteries of our past and the fragility of human existence. As we conclude our exploration of ghost towns and vanished civilizations, we're left pondering the enigmatic mysteries that shroud these forgotten places. From ancient wonders lost to time to modern-day deserted settlements, Each holds a story waiting to be unraveled. Join us on our journey to uncover the secrets of these vanished worlds. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more captivating tales of history's intriguing disappearances. Thanks for watching.